Alright guys, I got the VCM Muzzler off of Amazon here, and this one has a dip switch for multiples. I can't even get it to. You got one for 68, 82, 100, and 120. I turned the switch on for 100 since it's summertime, and we're gonna try this out. We'll go ahead and install this. Basically, you unplug that connector there and run this in line with it. Just like that, in a matter of seconds, we got it connected. We got the other connector tucked in here so it's not against the engine. We're gonna go ahead and run this and test it out. All right, here's our cold start. And we're gonna drive this thing around to see if this actually works. All right, guys, we've been driving it for a few minutes. As you can see, it's 88 degrees Fahrenheit and no eco light. So the number 3 switch, the 100 diode, seems to be doing the trick. The operating temperature has been lowered on the gauge. Normally it would already be at the halfway point. So the muzzler has worked for 88, degree temperatures. There's no eco mode. So I think I paid $12 for this, $11 on Amazon. And in the city, I can't really notice a difference in fuel mileage. And like most people say, the drivability is the same. You can't even tell anything's done to it. So I think we're gonna call this a success. Can't complain at all for $12. Got rid of the eco mode. I don't see the point of spending $100 for something that's probably gonna do the same thing. And this one I like that if I were to need to adjust it, I could just flip a switch. I don't have to change diodes out. I think we're gonna go ahead and run this. Alright. It does seem like it's got a little bit more grunt to it. Does seem a little bit more responsive since the eco mode is deactivated and it doesn't have to go through different modes. So I'm happy with this. We'll try it on another day that's hotter. If it's 95 degrees out, does it still work? But as of right now, 88 degrees